Okay, folks, so we're going to get started with your first coding program, and this is going to introduce the coding software to you, and then you'll be prepared to work on your own. So what you're going to first do is, if you have not downloaded the app, type in EV3 Chrome Web Store. And so that way you can get the app. You're going to add it to your Chrome by clicking on it and then clicking on the blue button that says Add to Chrome. So once you have the app, it looks like this when it's opened up, okay, with the lobby. To start a new program, you come down here. And so each time we create a new code, you're going to make a new program. So to get back to that screen, it's going to the home screen. And once you make one, you can go ahead and name it. So here's program 4. I'm going to rename this Sound Test. That's the name from your little white ticket for your first program, is called Sound Test. So again, from the home screen, you can rename the program. So I'm going to open it back up now that I've named it. I'm going to get rid of stuff that I had. I had some stuff going on here that I was playing with. Okay. Sound test. You have different blocks. So you have yellow blocks. The purple ones are for notes if you want to write something, and green blocks. So the app is a little smaller than the desktop program, but you still have a bunch of blocks. For this first one, it's the sound. So the robot won't be moving. It's just a sound code to test out the robot. You're going to drag the sound block up to your coding screen. If you click on this little file, you can change. This will be helpful in later challenges. You can play tones, you can play notes, you can play a file, and you can record sound. Okay. And if you come to where it says Mindstorms, you can change the type of file that you're looking at in the files. So animal sound, let's pretend you want an animal sound, and I'm going to pick the rattle. And if you hover, it'll tell you, I believe, what these little blocks, this is volume if you click, and play type, wait for completion, play once, repeat. You can change it if you want to do different things. Okay. When you have a code programmed, you're going to go ahead and plug in the cord that I provide you with, the USB cord, into your computer and the robot. You're going to come up here to where this little X is right now, and there'll be a download arrow, and you'll click download. And then you'll disconnect the robot from your Chromebook, and you will play the sound on your robot with it not connected to your Chromebook. For your other challenges, there are no videos, but if you go into the robots folder, you will see some helpful things. So helpful materials are right here. These are going to give you some slides of what the coding blocks do, coding turn info, and steering block info. So these would be things to help you out through the next couple challenges. Again, a reminder that each challenge will have its own program. So you'll have 8 programs down here named when you're done. Okay. And it's important that each person learn how to use the coding software so you're prepared to take the test with you coding by yourself and not with your group. Okay. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.